Hi, beautiful friend. For lunch today, I am making quesadillas. I'm cleaning out the refrigerator. So I have some tortillas that I'm just gonna put on my griddle. I'm going to rip up some lettuce, some spinach, and put it on top of there. And then I always keep chopped onions and green peppers in my fridge. So every Sunday I chop onions and green peppers and I toss them in things all week long. So I put them in eggs, different pasta dishes. I put them in quesadillas, all kinds of different things. I also had some black beans that were left over from a different meal, so I'm gonna put them inside the quesadilla, some rotisserie chicken, and then I'll top it with some leftover avocado that I have and some salsa. So super easy meal, but really healthy. I will sprinkle a little bit of cheese on there, but not a lot, just enough to make it stick together. But most of the flavor is gonna come from all of these other ingredients that I have. So you can see there's not a whole lot of cheese on there. I have my green peppers, my black beans, onions, rotisserie chicken, and then I'll put a tiny bit of torn up spinach on top and cover it with another tortilla. Flip it so both sides get a little crispy. And that's a super easy lunch that's healthy, uses real food ingredients that you can make anytime to clean out your fridge. Along with my quesadilla, I had 6 of these crackers. This is my favorite brand of crackers. They are so yummy and they use all good real food ingredients. They have lots of different flavors that you can choose from. The Super Seed is one of my favorites. They have a rosemary one that's also really good. And it satisfies that crunchy texture that I crave when I eat, my lunch, if I have a salad or if I have something like a quesadilla. And I do pre-portion them out and get them out of the container and sit them on my plate before I actually eat my meal. Otherwise, I would probably gobble down this entire thing in one sitting. So just a little tip there and something that you can look for when you grocery shop that you might enjoy. Cheers to a healthy lifestyle and living full for life, beautiful.